Hello everyone, welcome back to the session of English. In this session, we are going to continue with our chapter Jumbled Sentences. This is part 4. In part 3, we have already done many questions of jumbled sentences. In this part as well, we are going to discuss some questions which are related to jumbled sentences. So let's begin the session. Here we have 46th question. It means till 45 we have already done in part 3. Now this is again a type of jumbled sentence which we come across in our exam. Here the sentence is written and it is divided in several parts, that is PQRS. Only the format has been changed, but the pattern is same as we have already done. So the pattern of doing the questions will be same as we have done earlier. Now let us see the first question, that is that he ordered. The post was the first job he performed on reaching my release from jail. Now if we look what will be the first part of the sentence or from where the sentence will begin is, now in these types of sentences we cannot see the punctuation error just because there is no word in any part of the sentence is written in capital letter. It means any of the part can be the first or can be the beginning of the sentence. So we cannot assume that only the capital letter will begin the sentence because we are not given any of the part beginning with capital letter. So we should forget that concept of punctuation over here. Now let us see the sentences carefully. It is written that he ordered. Now what has he ordered? It means this cannot begin the sentence. So this cannot come at the first part of the sentence. Now if we go with the options, the sequences that are given in option, we can see either R is beginning the sentence or P. So let us not waste the time using Q or S. We'll make the sentence using R. Now, if I have R as the first part of the sentence or the beginning of the sentence, the first job he performed on reaching where? The post. Where did he reach? Reaching the post was that he ordered my release from jail. So this can be the sequence, that is R, Q, P, S. Now let us see if it is given in the options. That is RQPS. Of course, it is given in D option. Now let us check for some other options. If I add S after R, the first job he performed on reaching my release from jail. So it is not correct. It does not make any sense. We cannot begin the sentence using P. And if I add R then P, the first job he performed on reaching that he ordered my release from jail, the post was. Now this Q cannot end the sentence because was left, that something is there after it or something has to come after it. So Q cannot be the last part of the sentence or the end of the sentence. So our answer will be D. Now let us see. Yes, of course our answer D is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next question, next sentence. Get crystallized. The self and world view and physical space were basic ideas of public culturalism mental. Now, if I begin the sentence with get crystallized, it is not possible. The self and world view and physical space, now and cannot begin the sentence. It means we can either begin the sentence using the self or public culture. So either Q or S. If I see Q and S, so in this sequence, now let us see, let us have R. Let us have S as the first sentence. R cannot begin the sentence because and cannot begin the sentence. So public culture is mental. Now mental cannot be followed by the word the self, get. So Q cannot come after. Q and P cannot come after S. So if we see the options, it is coming R after S. So public culture is mental and physical space. Now this one is correct. Now S is followed by R, and physical space where basic ideas of the self and world view get crystallized. So Q and then P. So SRQP. Or if I go with Q as the first sentence, the self and world view and physical space, but it does not make any sense. In fact, mental and physical, this is making some sense. So the correct sequence can be SRQP, or if I say public culture is a mental and physical space where the basic ideas of get crystallized, this is also not possible. So only this sequence is possible in every aspect. So B should be the answer. Now let us see the answer. Yes, of course it is B. It means our answer is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next sentence. That is 48. Both winter and summer extreme are truly here in India. Now this is the sentence which is given to us. Now let us see one by one the options which can come first. If I begin the sentence using both winter and summer, extreme cannot begin the sentence, are truly cannot begin the sentence. Now, are truly is are. If we go with the options, we have are as the first sentence, but it cannot form the sentence or it cannot begin the sentence. So this is incorrect option. Now let us move to the second option, that is SRQP. Now let us check this. Here in India, then we have are truly. Now what are truly? Some subject must be given there, which is not given. It means this is also not the correct answer because are cannot follow the sentence S. So these two sentences, these two sequences are incorrect. Now let us move to the third one. That is SPRQ. Now if it is written here in India, so we are talking about in India, both winter and summer are truly extreme. So this sequence is absolutely correct. But let us check for the another option as well. PSRQ. So both winter and summer here in India. Now this is somewhere awkward. Like first we are talking about both summer and winter or both winter and summer. Then we are talking here in India. It means here in India is actually a phrase which is written for the entire sentence. It is an adverb. So it should be added at the first place of the sentence or at the first part of the sentence. So here in India should come first, and after that we should have both summer and winter or both winter and summer. It means the third option is absolutely correct. That is C. So option C is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next one. So C is absolutely correct answer. Now next is Mohan clearly I could not see only a few yards ahead though he was. Now we can begin the sentence using though. We can also begin the sentence using Mohan, or we can also begin the sentence using I. If I begin the sentence using I, it means I'm beginning the sentence using Q. But according to options, it is not given at all. We have not been given any option which is beginning with Q. It means I cannot begin the sentence using Q. I can begin the sentence using R according to options, but only a few yards ahead. This cannot be the first part of the sentence. So let us make the sentence using P. R cannot begin the sentence according to the sense of the sentence. Now Mohan clearly. So it is subject. So we should have a verb after it, but we do not have any verb. It means this also cannot begin the sentence. It means this will be the correct answer. It means S, that though he was only a few yards ahead, I could not see Mohan clearly. Clearly is an adverb which will come after the sentence or at the end of the sentence. So SRQP will be the correct sequence according to the options given. The sentence could be like, I could see Mohan clearly. I could not see Mohan clearly though he was only a few yards ahead. But that sequence was not given in the options. Therefore, answer will be D, and that is correct according to the options. Now let us move to the next one. So here is answer is D. So it is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next, that is 50th, made the movement, the poor visibility of the vehicles quite difficult. Now again, made the movement what? So there must be a subject before it, so it cannot begin the sentence. So we cannot begin the sentence using P. In fact, it is not giving in options as well. In options, it is written either Q can begin the sentence or R can begin the sentence. Now let us check the sequences. So the poor visibility, according to the first option it is given, the poor visibility, quite difficult. It does not make any sense. So R cannot follow the sentence Q. Now let us see the next one. The R will be the first sentence. If R will be the first sentence, it is of the vehicles. So R cannot begin the sentence again. Now again, we'll have Q, then R. It is not correct. Now QP. Now let us see this. The poor visibility made the movement of the vehicles quite difficult. Now this sequence is absolutely correct and it is making the sense. So D is absolutely correct answer. So when we go according to options, we are able to find out the correct answers, because elimination part is also there that makes jumbling of sentences very easy, or rearrangement of sentences very easy. Now let us move to the next sentence, that is 51. Of corruption everywhere, to ease out the monster, it is the duty of the government. So the monster, it cannot begin the sentence. The monster of corruption everywhere. But it does not make any sense. So first sentence will be first sentence will be S. And if I begin the sentence using S, only A option is correct. Now let us see. It is the duty of the government to ease out the monster of the corruption everywhere. So SQRP, or it also matches one of our options, SQRP. Now let us see the other options. Q, to ease out. Obviously, it cannot begin the sentence. P, of corruption everywhere. It can also not begin the sentence. Now Q, obviously 2 cannot begin the sentence. So rest of the 3 options are incorrect. Now let us move to the next one. And garbage today, our environment, filth and squalor is in constant grip of. So today, our environment, Q, is in constant grip of filth and squalor and garbage. So this will be the correct sequence, QSRP. Now let us see if our answer is correct. Yes, of course, our answer is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next one. Speed is a potent cause, industrial growth at a terrific in a big city of pollution. So now, if I say of pollution, it cannot begin the sentence. Speed is a potent cause of pollution. Now cause is followed by of. So P can connect with S. Now we should check for this combination, P and S together. So P and S are given only in this option. Now let us see. If I begin the sentence using Q, industrial growth at a terrific speed is a potent cause of pollution in a big city. So Q, then P, then S, then R. So this is the correct sequence that we have. Now let us see the answer. Yes, of course, our answer is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next one. Scientists have the effects of warned us about climate change. This is very simple. Scientists have warned us about. Now we know well that after we have verb third form. So P is followed by R. Scientists have warned us about the effects of climate change. So Q, after that we have S. Now PRQS, this is given in option C. So option C is absolutely correct. From Europe to America in 1992, his first voyage Columbus made. Now this one is again very simple. Columbus made his first voyage from Europe to America in 1992. So it should be SRPQ. So SRPQ is given in B option. Now, if I go with SP, Columbus made from Europe to America, this is not correct. So this will be the correct answer because Columbus is the one to begin the sentence. He is the subject of the sentence. So only this sequence is absolutely correct. So obviously B will be the correct answer. Now let us move to the next one. Most spectacular gold coins, some of the Gupta rulers in India were issued by. Now obviously coins were issued by. This makes the sequence. So PS. Now some of the most spectacular gold coins were issued by the Gupta's rulers in India. This will be the sequence. So it will be like QPS and then R. Now let us check in the options. Yes, it is given in option B. So B is absolutely correct answer. Now let us check the next one. Brought on by destructive pests, humans have suffered frustration and food losses since earliest times. Now brought cannot begin the sentence. Humans have suffered frustration and food losses brought on by destructive pests. Now, since earliest times cannot end the sentence, so it will be the beginning of the sentence. Since earliest times, humans have suffered frustration and food losses brought on by destructive pests. So, S, Q, R, and then P. So, C is the correct answer. Now, let us move to the next one. This is a question sentence. This is again very simple. If question is there, it either begins with a helping verb or a question word, but there is no question word. Yes, it is given. It is given. The question word is given. So how important? So S will be the first sentence, is the information that comes from the scientists. Obviously, the P will be the end of the sentence because it is having the question mark. So SQRP, or it is how important is the information? Yes, this is given in option number C. It means our answer is C. Yes, of course, the answer is C. Now let us move to the next one. When steam engines dominated industrialization, coal was the main source of energy in the initial stages. Now in the initial stages, it means we are talking about the earlier times. And we know well that that time coal was the source of energy. So it can begin the sentence R. Coal was the main source of energy. Now what source of energy in the initial stages when steam engines dominated industrialization. So this can be the sequence RSPQ. Yes, of course, it is given in option B. So this will be the correct answer. Now let us move to the next one. In the same locality, marriage within a unit, endogamy refers to or a group living. Now obviously we are talking about endogamy over here. So we are defining endogamy over here. So R will begin the sentence. And endogamy refers to marriage within a unit. So it can be followed by Q, or a group living in the same locality. So RQSP should be the correct sequence. So D will be the correct answer. Yes, of course, D is the correct answer. Now let us move to the next one. Are of the opinion some archaeologists and that everybody enjoyed equal status, that Harappan society had no rulers. Now in S sentence it is given a comma. It means there is something beyond it as well. So S can be the first sentence but cannot be the beginning, cannot be the end sentence. But here it is written that Harappan society. It means there is something behind it as well. So it is the between sentence, not the beginning or the end sentence. Now are of the opinion, it means there must be something behind it or something before it. So P cannot begin the sentence. Some archaeologists. So Q can be the first sentence. Some archaeologists are of the opinion that Harappan societies had no rulers and that everybody enjoyed equal status. It means it will be QPSR. This can only be the sequence of this sentence. So QPSR. is the correct sequence. That is C is the correct answer, because this S cannot be the beginning or the end of the sentence. Now let us see the next one. Of great trouble, this is a time, the world to the maximum as one virus threatens. So as one virus threatens, it means threatens what? What did he threat? What does he threat? Now, this cannot be the end of the sentence, and this cannot be the beginning of the sentence as well. It means it should come in between. Now, we have 4 positions only. This can be the first sentence, that is Q. So, this is a time of trouble as one virus threatens the world to the maximum. So, this will be the correct sequence, that is QPSR. So this is given in option number D. So D is absolutely correct answer. Now let us move to the next one. Enough potassium banana provides from various types of sugar and sustained energy. So the beginning of the sentence can be using banana, can be formed using banana. Banana provides, that means Q will be the first sentence. What? Enough potassium. Now potassium, after potassium we can see a comma. It means there is something else as well. Banana provides enough potassium and sustained energy from various types of sugar. So QPSR. So it is given in option number D. So our option is correct, D. Now let us see the next sentence. Of any kind to freedom and intelligence, domination or compulsion is a direct hindrance. Again, is a direct hindrance, it means there is something behind it. Of any kind cannot begin the sentence. To freedom, again cannot begin the sentence. It means domination or compulsion, this can begin the sentence. R. Domination or compulsion is a direct hindrance to. Hindrance is always followed by a preposition to. So R is Q. But P cannot be the end of the sentence because intelligence of any kind does not suit. So there should be domination or compulsion of any kind. So R can be followed by P. The domination or compulsion of any kind is a direct hindrance to freedom and intelligence. So the correct answer will be RPSQ, that is A. So A will be the correct answer. Consideration for others for self-gratification, freedom does not mean the opportunity or setting aside of. So the first will be freedom does not mean the opportunity for self-gratification or the setting aside of consideration for others. So RQSP, let us see if it is given in the options. Yes, it is given in the options D. So D will be the correct answer. Now let us move to the next one. All searches for knowledge should be the beginning, an exploration into truth and experiments of life. So should cannot begin the sentence, end cannot begin the sentence, of cannot begin the sentence. It means the sentence will be beginning with R. Now let us see in the options. Only 2 options are there which are beginning with R. So if I see R as the first sentence, an exploration into truth, in the very first option, it is followed by sentence Q. An exploration into truth should be the beginning of all searches for knowledge and experiments of life. So this can be the correct answer, A. But let us see the next one as well. An exploration into truth and experiments of life should be the beginning of all searches for knowledge. It is not the correct sequence, just because an exploration into truth, it direct connects with the sentence should be the beginning. What? Of all searches, because beginning is related to this of. Should be the beginning of all searches for knowledge and experiments of life. So this will be the correct sequence. So RQPS will be the correct answer, that is A. Now let us move to the next one. During the last century, Indian social, political and cultural life as a testimony of Indian cinema stands. Now here the sentence is beginning either with S, Q or P, not with R. Or it cannot begin also with R. So if I begin the sentence using S, Indian cinema stints during the last century, Indian social, political, and cultural as a testimony of, it is not making any sense. We cannot end the sentence using R. R can come in between, and R cannot be at the first of the sentence as well. So let us check another one. During, it means P also cannot begin the sentence. P can come in between. Now let us see Q as the first sentence. Indian social, political, and cultural life. If I see S as the first sentence, Indian cinema stints as a testimony of Indian social, political, and cultural life during the last century. This can be the sequence. So SRQP will be the correct answer. If I begin the sentence using Q, that is Indian social, political, and cultural life. Okay, P cannot begin the sentence, and if I begin the sentence using Q, Q is followed by R as a testimony of Indian cinema stints during the last century. That does not make any sense. Therefore, D is the correct answer. So these were some sentence rearrangements that we have done in this session. So D is the correct answer. And remaining we have already done. So I hope you understand all the jumbled sentences. Thank you very much.